You know, for us who are blue and we are Azimio, last year at a time like this, we would not sit together. And when the election ended, we spoke today about reconciliation. Some of us chose the path to reconciliation, to consider Kenya first, and we believe that Kenya is bigger than any one of us. And so, Your Excellency, myself, and the team from Jubilee, members of parliament, we all went to the mantra, siyekubali kushindwa, siyo mshindani. And I know majority of Kenyans, maybe there are some who never voted, others voted for Azimio, others voted for Kenya Kwanza. Elections will be in the next 5 years. My appeal to all of us is that Kenya is greater than all of us, that we should work together to make sure that Kenya works. I have traveled across the globe, and every time I go, I miss coming back home. If Kenya burns, all of us burns. I want to urge the people from my side who, some of them chose also not to come for this prayer breakfast, that it is important that we accept the will of God. It is us who handed over the power, and so it is necessary that we support the government of the day, not for ourselves, but for the betterment of Kenya. And so, on the same tone of reconciliation, I pray to my colleagues in Parliament that they also reconcile with me, because the best thing I did was not to run away from them, but just think bigger picture about Kenya. And so, Mr. Speaker, as they plan to remove me as a Deputy Minority Whip, I hope that you'll also look at me with a better eye, and I also extend the same branch to my colleagues in Azimio, because